Hi everyone, thank you for loving these all pearl designs. These are actually a pearl brush in a Procreate I just recently created. So now I am making a learn. So go into the canvas, click the wrench tool, import, insert a photo, and you can remove background over here or just remove the shape, and basically your pole should be white and the background should be black, so it should not be white, otherwise it's gonna get into a square something in the brush. So after selecting this all picture, just select picture, you can go in calligraphy and select any brush, duplicate that brush and come here. After coming here, just import the pearl, and I have no idea why this is not screen recorded, but that is the step you were just doing there. And afterwards you can come to select any brush tool, anything from here, and just experiment with your idea what kind of pearl you want. So here I'm showing you some ideas. In a stroke path we can sizing it. For me, I think the 44% is the best one, so I selected 44% of here. It was even the best pace. Rest you're going to get many options over here. This is kind of a preview they were offering. Reset the size over here and many other things. And here I'm back on the page and I'm coloring the background in a black color, selecting the white, and now going to the brush. What we have just done, and I'm sizing that brush, and now you can see the results. Hope you liked it, and do try and draw anything.